Welcome to the channel where we break down the challenges and opportunities in PV plus BESS projects. Today we will look at the key obstacles facing these projects in Europe and how to overcome them. In the picture we see the key challenges: technology costs, regulations, and competition in saturated markets. Understanding these factors is essential to ensure the competitiveness and profitability of projects in a constantly evolving market. The image highlights how battery cost evolution and emerging technologies impact capex and financial viability. Although lithium-ion battery costs have decreased significantly, global demand and limited availability of emerging technologies present challenges for developers. The adoption of solid-state and flow batteries promises to improve competitiveness, but requires clear implementation strategies. Projects that integrate advanced technologies will reduce operating costs and differentiate themselves in saturated markets. The image details how regulations affect the integration of PV plus BESS systems, from incentives to grid connection costs. Regulatory clarity is crucial to attract investment. However, challenges such as grid saturation and connection fees increase operating costs. Participating in ancillary services markets offers additional opportunities, but requires compliance with specific regulations. Projects in Spain have optimized their profitability by combining solar generation with frequency regulation in ancillary markets. This image illustrates how the high penetration of renewable projects generates downward pressure on prices and limits access to the grid. Competition with large projects and the need for differentiation through advanced technologies are key factors for survival in saturated markets. Projects that use EMS and offer additional services to the grid have a significant competitive advantage. Strategies that combine operational efficiency and differentiation ensure the long-term viability of projects. This image highlights the increase in renewable generation and the need for flexibility in the grid to manage variability. BESS systems are essential to stabilize the grid, but must compete with solutions such as green hydrogen and European interconnections. The image details how the European Green Deal is driving the energy transition, presenting both opportunities and challenges. Meeting ambitious decarbonization targets requires significant investments in infrastructure and storage. Projects that align their objectives with European targets will be more attractive to investors and regulators. This image summarizes the strategies needed to ensure competitiveness: technological innovation, regulatory adaptation, and market differentiation. The ability of projects to integrate effectively into the network and offer additional value will be decisive for their success. Projects with hybrid solutions and flexible business models are leading the market in terms of profitability and sustainability. Today we have analyzed the key challenges faced by PV plus BESS projects in Europe and how innovative strategies can ensure their competitiveness. If you need help to overcome these challenges and optimize your projects, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultancy. Together we can design effective solutions to maximize your success.